ba? Kasi alam naman natin na marami tayong differences sa opinions, sa values, sa culture. Pero sana magkaroon ng time na makita natin yung end goal natin is to have, a peaceful country na talaga nagkakaintindi. To the world, peace talaga. I know it sounds so cliche, world peace, but everyone wants that. Hindi natin alam kung ano nangyayari within different countries, but we see it on, the media. And I just want peace for everyone. Kasi ang dami na lang nadadamay na hindi dapat madamay. So sana maging maayos. Sa sarili ko, good health. Paulit-ulit, no? Pero kasi yun talaga ang number one eh. Kasi if hindi ka malakas, if hindi ka healthy, you can't work, you can't provide for your family. So it's one way na I have to take care of myself, I have to have good health for me to take care of my loved ones.